Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Formal Learning with Deepika. I hope you all are doing great. So without wasting your time, let's start a new video on multiple choice question on hospital, its function and organizations. So let's start the multiple choice question. First question is dash serves as a link between the medical staff and the hospital pharmacist. So the options are A. Modern dispensing aspects, B. Pharmacy therapeutic effects, C. Patient counseling, D. None of this. So the correct answer is C, that is patient counseling. Or if patient counseling is not there, then you can click pharmacy therapeutic effects. So both are the correct answer. Now next question is, given the followings are the secondary source of information except options are A. Formulary, B. Pharmacopoeia, C. Textbooks, D. Research paper. So the correct answer is D, that is research paper. Now next question is the process of quickly obtaining an out of stock medication in an urgent situation. So the options are A. Emergency drug procurement, B. Bulk compounding log, C. Code card, D. Final filter. So the correct option is A. Emergency drug procurement. Next question is area designed for the preparation of sterile product. Options are A. Clean room, B. Formulary, C. Inpatient pharmacy, D. None of this. So the correct answer is A, that is clean room. Now next question is voluntary or involuntary removal of a drug product by the manufacturer, usually pertaining to a particular shipment or a lot number. So the options are A. Code card, B. IVBP का फुल फॉर्म होता है इंट्रावेनस पिगी बैंक, C. रिकॉल या नन ऑफ दिस. सो जो वॉलंटरी एंड इनवॉलंटरी रिमूवल होता है ड्रग प्रोडक्ट्स का, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द रिकॉल. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज a system in which medication and dispense forms an automated unit at the point of use. So the options are A. batching, B. automated dispensing system, C. code card या none of this. So the correct answer is B, that is automated dispense system. Next question is a pharmacy located in a hospital that serves services only those patients in the hospital and its ancillary area. So the options are inpatient pharmacy, B. outpatient pharmacy, C. satellite pharmacy, D. none of this. So the correct option is B, that is outpatient pharmacy. Next question is the main inpatient pharmacy in a hospital that has pharmacy satellite. So the options are A. community hospital, B. central pharmacy, C. community central pharmacy, D. none of this. So the correct option is B, that is central pharmacy. Next question is advanced preparation of large quantities of unit dose oral solutions or suspensions or small volume parenterals for future use. So the options are A. batching, B. bulk compounding log, C. formulating, D. none of this. So the correct option is B, that is bulk compounding log. Next question is medication which must be prepared by following a specific recipe or the formula, usually because they are not available commercially. So the options are A. compounds, B. private compounds, C. extemporaneous compounds या D. none of this. So the correct answer is C, that is extemporaneous compound. अगर आपके पास में प्रिपरेशन अवेलेबल नहीं होती तो किसी पेशेंट के नीड के अकॉर्डिंग यू हैव टू फॉर्मुलेट द फॉर्मुलेशन. So that is called as extemporaneous preparations. Next question is a type of formulary that requires physicians to order only the medication on the formulary list. So the options are A. closed formulary, B. open formulary, C. formulary, D. none of this. So the correct answer is B, that is open formulary. Next question is a computerized patient medical record, also known as an electronic health record. So the options are A. electronic medical record, B. EMR, C. all of the above and none of this. So the correct option is C, that is all of the above. EMR is the only full form of electronic medical record. So both the options are correct. Now next question is a hospital pharmacy that services patients who have left the hospital or who are visiting doctors in a hospital outpatient clinic. So the options are A. Outpatient pharmacy, B. Pharmacy satellite, C. Center pharmacy, D. None of this. So the correct answer is A, that is outpatient pharmacy. Next question is making solutions or suspensions by adding water or other diluent to a pre-made powder form a drug in a drug bottle. So the options are A. Compounding, B. Reconstitution, C. None of the above or all of the above. So the correct option is B, that is reconstitution. So वापस से अगर आप कुछ सॉल्यूशंस या सस्पेंशन में वाटर ऐड करके कुछ फॉर्मुलेशन या बनाते हो तो उसको बोलते हैं रिकॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. Next question is the main responsibilities of a pharmacy technicians may include all of the following except. So the first option is preparing medication order, B. Conduction unit inspection, C. Administering medications to the patient, D. Monitoring patient drug therapy. So the correct answer is C, that is administrating medications to the patient. Now next question is a quality assurance pharmacy technician. A. Transport medications from the pharmacy to patient care area, B. Prepare intravenous medication, C. Conduct unit inspection, D. Prepares extravenous compounds. So the quality assurance department का काम क्या होता है आपका conduct unit inspection is the correct answer. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you are liking my videos. If you like my videos, then subscribe to my channel and share my videos as much as you can with your friends and family members. Stay safe and healthy. Bye bye. Take care.